Welcome back, everyone. Yesterday I was doing a cop watch, and when I passed by a church, I seen that there was police officers there. So I showed up and they started to scatter like some cockroaches. As I seen one of the police officers taking off, I seen that the license plate had a 666 on it. I'm going to show you guys a piece of that clip, and I think it goes with this video that I'm about to show you guys as well. This video is taking off, going viral. Police officers enter a church, and the preacher puts them in check and sends them all packing. And I think it's funny because just yesterday I put out that video, and I think it goes hand in hand with this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Oh yeah, I started a new podcast channel. It's called Joaquin Podcast. That's the channel I went live on. I'm doing some interviews with folks on there. I think you guys will like that channel. I'll see you guys over there as well. Thank you guys. Look at 666, huh? 666 on the license plate. These fools worship the devil. I had to kick the devil out of the Christian church area, guys. The power of Christ compels you. And here's that video I was telling you about where the preacher kicks out these evildoers. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Also, make sure you subscribe to Faithwire. Let them know I sent you. And also go subscribe to the San Joaquin Podcast channel. I think you guys will get a kick out of that channel. I'll be going live on there as well and doing some cop watches. But for the most part, I'm going to be interviewing people over there. Here is the video from Faithwire. And at the end of the video, I'll post some more of that live stream that I did. All right, folks, no more wasting time. Here's your video.
Please get out. Get out of this property. Immediately get out. Get out of this property immediately. Out. I don't want to hear anything. Out of this property immediately. I don't want to hear a word. Out. Out. Out of this property immediately until you come back with a warrant. Out. Out. Out! 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 Out of this property! Immediately out! Immediately go out and don't come back. I don't want to talk to you. Not a word. Out of this property. Immediately out. I don't care what you have to say. Out! Out! Out of this property, you Nazis! Out! Out! Gestapo is not allowed here. Immediately, Gestapo is not allowed. Out. Do you understand English? Get out of this property. Go. So go. Go. And don't come back without the warrant. Out, Nazi. Out. Out. You understand? Nazis are not welcome here. Out. And don't come back without a warrant. Do not come back without a warrant. You understand that? You're not welcome here. Nazis are not welcome here. Gestapo is not welcome here. Do not come back, you Nazi psychopaths. Unbelievable, sick, evil people. Intimidating people in a church during the Passover. You Gestapo, Nazi, communists, fascists. Don't you dare coming back here. Can you imagine those psychopaths? Passover, the holiest Christian festival in a year, and they're coming to intimidate Christians during the holiest festival? Unbelievable. What is wrong with those sick psychopaths? It's beyond me.
The power of Christ compels you. Leave, evil men. Leave this area now. What's up, Jason Real Camera? I had to kick out the evil. The officers, rookie officer with the shitty car license plate had 666 on it. And they were hanging out over here by a church. And I had to come tell them, hey, the power of Christ compels you. Leave now, you sinners. Leave. Hell yeah. So yeah, guys, what can I say, man? Out here, it's a battle of good versus evil. And you know what I mean? The power of Christ compels you. You must leave evil spirits. Leave the area now, for this is God's good earth. Hell yeah, hell yeah. All right, that's enough, guys. That's enough of that. Oh, man, I love this. I'll tell you guys something else. If I ever get to 1 million subscribers, I promise you, I will still go out and record police. It's what I do, and it's what I do very well. So, evildoers, you are no longer welcome. Had to throw that in, guys. Had to throw that in. Man, let's make this small channel grow, folks. How about that? You guys help me out. You guys shout out this channel, Joaquin Podcast. Let's make this channel grow.